In the name of Almighty God, the most compassionate and the most merciful, I welcome you all to your own channel. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. By the way, we have got a very simple question for this week. Sum of integers from 1 to 100 that are divisible by 2 or 5. First of all, I will write all the numbers from 1 to 100. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 97, 98, 99, and 100. Now, in here, what's asked? The question is, you have to find the summation of that integers which are divided by 2, not simultaneously with the 5. It's asked divided by 2 or 5. What does it mean? It means from 100, from 1 up to 100, we have the numbers like even numbers 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, up to 100. All odd numbers, they are divided by 2. Yes. Next, in here we have some of the numbers which are divided by 5. Those are 5, 10, 15, up to 100 also. Now, these numbers are divided by 5. But we have some numbers which I considered to be divided by 2. And also I considered which can be divided by 10. Those are 10, those are 20, 30. It means the LCM of 2 and 5, they are the numbers which are written twice. So we have to subtract these numbers. These numbers are like 10, 20, and itself 100. What does it mean? These are the numbers which are divided by 2 and also 5. It means the LCM of 2 and 5, they are written twice. First, I have written in those terms which are divided by 2. Second, 10, 20, they are also divided by 5. So I have to subtract these numbers in order to have just once. I mean, in here also we have 10, in here also we have 10. So it is considered to be written twice. For this result, I have to subtract once time. Yes, you have got. Now the question is easy. This is the summation of the even numbers. What's the formula? I think n times n plus 1. N is the terms which we have from 2 up to 100 plus what this one is. This one is an AP, arithmetic progression. Why? We have first term is 5, and difference between every terms we have 5. I mean, the summation for this EP is n divided by 2 times 2a plus n minus 1d. What this one n means? This n means the terms which we have from 5 to 100. Minus, this one is also an EP. The EP summation is n divided by 2, 2a plus n minus 1d. Now, what this one n means, the terms which we have from 2 up to 100. How many terms do we have which are divisible by 2? I think 50. Times 50 plus 1 plus n. N is the terms which we have from 5 to 100 which are divided by 5. How many terms do we have? I think 20. Divided by 2. 2. This one a is 5. 2 times 5, it's 10. Plus n. How many terms do we have? 20 minus 1. D, the difference between the terms, it's 5 minus. N, how many terms do we have? 10, 20, up to 100, which are divided by 2 and 5. It means by 10. How many terms do we have? It's 10 divided by 2. A is 10. 2 times 10, it's 20. Plus N, do we have how much? 10 minus 1. D, what's the difference between these two? It's 10. Finished. Now it's easy. 50 plus 1, it's 51. Plus 20 divided by 2, it's 10. 20 minus 1, 19. 19 times 5, it's 19 times 5, 95. Minus 10 divided by 2, it's 5. 20 plus 10 minus 1, 9. 9 times 10, 90. Now we have, can you multiply these both terms? Yes, it is 0, 1, 5, 25. Plus 10, 10 plus 95, it's 105. Minus 5, 20 with 90, it's 110. Now we have 2550 plus, you can multiply these both terms, it's 0, 5, 0, 1, minus, and this one 0, 5, 5. You can have the summation of these two. It is 3600 minus 550. Now you can subtract these both terms. 0, it's 5. 35 minus 5, it's 30. Which answer is correct? Number 2. By the way, love you all. Allah Hafiz.